Hey Crafty Crew! I love receiving handmade gifts, especially handmade gift baskets, because the person making them has really taken the time and thoughtfulness to put things in there that you enjoy. Today I'm going to show you 5 different gift basket ideas that you can make for $15 or less.
Some items that you may want to have handy before you start making your gift baskets are these basket bags. You can get a 2-pack for $1 at Dollar General. These measure 22 inches by 25 inches. They come in clear. They have one with candy canes on it and one with green trees. If you need a larger bag, Dollar General has a 30-inch by 40-inch for $2. This only has one bag in it. You'll need some assorted ribbon, which you can find a combo pack at Dollar General. You can find various different packs of ribbon at Walmart, or you could use your Dollar Tree ribbon. To keep your items from shifting around in the basket, you'll need some sort of adhesive. Dollar Tree carries pop dot tape. They also carry a reusable gel tape. Whatever you use, you just want to make sure that the recipient can remove it very easily from the items in the basket. You can find tacky strips at Hobby Lobby. These are $2.99. They're great if you have curved objects or it needs to conform to the shape of the item. You'll need some invisible Scotch tape to tape the bottom of your bags, as well as some name tags. Dollar Tree has some gorgeous large name tags that are great for gift baskets. To give some height in your basket as well as fill in the empty spaces, you can use tissue paper that you can find at Dollar Tree or Dollar General in whatever color you choose, or you could use some shredded paper from Hobby Lobby. You can catch these on sale for $2 a bag in your traditional Christmas colors. These are just a few suggestions. You can customize your gift basket however you like. For this basket, I'm going to take an empty box that I already had on hand and just wrap it like I would a Christmas present in some white tissue paper. This is going to be a filler and give us some height inside of our gift basket, so we'll be able to sit items on top of it. So you do want to make sure that it sits flat. Dollar Tree carries an abundance of different kinds of bins and baskets. I chose the gold wired basket because I felt it was more fitting for the spa set and it felt a little bit more high-end. I'm going to layer the bottom with a couple of pieces of tissue paper and kind of keep those corners peeking up through the top of the basket. Then we'll set our box right in the center, and to hold that in place, I'm going to add some tape to the bottom. Then we'll be able to add some items to the top of the box. Dollar Tree carries some aromatherapy candles. This one is healing, the other one is soothing. It has a wooden top. They smell wonderful and they look so high-end. They also have aromatherapy lemon verbena body wash and the coordinating body lotion. I decided to add in a manicure set, a jade facial roller, some towel scrunchies, as well as a loofah. They also carry the salt body scrub in the lemon verbena. I'm going to attach the body wash, the salt scrub, and the lotion to the top of the box using some pop dot tape from Dollar Tree. Because the bottoms of the bottles are concaved, I did just layer a couple of those double-sided tapes on the bottom. Decided to put the salt scrub sitting up, and I made sure that everything coordinated, the colors as well as the scents, and it just gave it a much higher end look. Added a little bit more tissue paper and then just kind of moved items around until they were pleasing to my eyes. Once you have your basket together, you can then add this into your clear bag and top that off with a tag and a bow. What a gorgeous gift for around $13.
Before we start on our next gift basket idea, I'm sure y'all noticed that I'm wearing the Crafty Crew t-shirt design that you guys voted on. It is now available for purchase in my Amazon store. I will have the link to my Amazon store in my description box below. All you have to do is click on that link and then click on apparel. We have t-shirts, long sleeves, sweatshirts, and hoodies for men, women, and children in various different colors. These would also make great gifts for your crafty friends. Thank you so much for your love and support. Now let's get back to those gift basket ideas.
This next gift basket is entirely inspired by these beautiful snowflake coffee mugs from Dollar Tree. They are double-sided with the pattern. They also carry the oven mitt as well as the kitchen hand towel. I'm also using 2 of these glass containers from Dollar Tree. They not only sit on the bottom, but you can also tilt them to the side. Once I remove the label, I will clean them thoroughly and dry them thoroughly because one of them I'm going to fill with mini marshmallows, which you can also find at Dollar Tree. And I'm going to fill the other one with a milk chocolate hot cocoa mix that you can find at Walmart for just a few dollars. Now this will fill several containers up and it smells delicious. Now you could cover the lids of these with some scrapbook paper to give it a pop of color, but since I was going for the white and silver theme, this silver worked perfectly. Since we're not going to have the hot cocoa in there, you can take one of Dollar Tree's tags and handwrite the directions on the back of that, then take a piece of white ribbon and feed half of that through your tag. Then take the ends to go through the loop where you just fed through your tag, and then wrap that around your lid and tie a pretty bow. This just gives it an added personal touch, and it just looks so beautiful. For the basket itself, I found this gray basket at Dollar Tree, which I thought fit perfect with the color scheme we're going for. I just took a corrugated box that came in an order that I already had here. I'm going to wrap that just like a Christmas present with some beautiful speckled tissue paper from Dollar Tree, and then put a few more pieces in the front and back on each side of the box to fill those areas in. Now we're going to set our marshmallows and hot chocolate mix on there. We're going to take the oven mitt as well as the hand towel and tuck those down in the back. Then we can add our coffee mugs to the front, and I'm going to be securing the marshmallows, the cocoa mix, and the coffee mugs with some of Dollar Tree's gel reusable tape to hold that in place and also hold the coffee mugs together so they don't shatter when you're moving it around. Now if you know what you want to make or you have an idea of it ahead of time, you can always be on the hunt for a bargain. I found these bar mop dishcloths at Dollar General for buy one get one free. So I'm going to put 2 of those in one of the coffee mugs, tuck the other 2 down behind them, and Dollar General also had their Good Cook and True Living buy one get one half off. So I was able to use that discount to purchase 2 other items for another gift basket. To add a touch of Christmas, we're going to add this beautiful pick from Dollar General for $1, and this basket is absolutely gorgeous, and you can do all of this for less than $15. For all the people in your life that love to keep a clean car, go to Dollar Tree and grab one of their wash buckets. We're going to fill that up with some green tissue paper to give us some height, and everything that I put in this will be from the Dollar Tree. Window cleaner, the vinegar formula, 16 ounces of tire shine and gloss, 16 ounces of carpet and upholstery cleaner, and 16 ounces of ultra gel wash and wax, multi-surface Armor All, an air freshener which is great to put under your seats, all surface quick care detailer. It's kind of squishy. It's great to get in those hard to reach areas like your vents or cup holders, a squeegee for your windows, a Chanel microfiber car wash sponge, as well as the microfiber cloth to dry the vehicle off with. And if you can't find the all-surface quick care detailer, no worries, grab one of their electronic dusters. They work just as good. Now it is time for us to assemble our gift basket together. I first put in some green tissue paper to really build that up. Also, I'm going to be using that green plastic gift bag, so I thought that it would coordinate better. Put the larger items in the back so that they'll sit up a little bit. You may need to add a little bit more tissue paper to give you some height, and just arrange things so that you're able to see them and that they're pleasing to the eye. Once you have that together, you have an amazing card detailing basket for around $15. You can now wrap it with the plastic gift bag, add a tag, and a simple bow around the top to complete the look. For this gift basket idea, we're going to start off with this 12-cup muffin pan that you can find at Dollar General. When they had their sale for buy one, get one half off, I was able to get this silicone utensil set for half off. Now, Dollar Tree does sell utensils as well as the muffin pan. We're going to put in one of these oven mitts from Dollar General. They had the buy one, get one free, so this is the free one from the other gift basket we made, as well as Dollar General's bar top hand towels and dishcloths buy one, get one free. So it's always a great idea to be on the hunt for a good bargain. I'll be adding in 3 different flavored Dollar Tree muffin mixes, as well as using one of Dollar Tree's large gift baskets. I'm going to start off by putting some red tissue paper in there, and then this is completely optional, but Dollar Tree sells these beautiful Christmas pillow covers. I thought this would be perfect since it says baked fresh daily, even though it has a gingerbread man on it. Now you can insert a pillow form. I'm actually going to fill this in with some polyfill. So once I get done, I'm going to show you with or without the pillow in the gift basket, and you guys let me know which way you like it better. So I'm going to tuck this in the back of the basket, and then I will place the muffin pan in front of that. Add in the oven mitt as well as the hand towels on each side. Then I can place the 3 muffin mix in the front and the silicone set behind that. So I decided to roll up 2 of the dishcloths to tuck underneath the muffin mix to give it some height, and roll the other 2 up and place on the side. So you guys let me know whether you like it better with or without the pillow. Our next gift basket idea, we're going to start off using this thrifted basket. You can find these at a thrift store for a couple of dollars. I'm going to fill this in with some handmade gifts. Now, I will have a video link in the description box for each one of these if you want to recreate them. I'm going to start off by tucking some white tissue paper just to fill in the bottom. Then I'm going to add in this furry faux present. This is going to be more of like a rustic themed gift basket. I'm going to add in the twine angel as well as a greenery tree. Now you can find that at Hobby Lobby, but everything else is handmade. I'm going to put in this cloche with the wooden angels and bottle brush trees and fairy lights. Then I'm going to add in an ornament that we made with snowflakes, greenery, and pine cones, as well as another ornament to put right in the front. Then we'll add a wooden angel sign to tuck down behind the presents. This gift basket is absolutely gorgeous. Each project only costs a couple of dollars to make, and it is very unique to the person that you are giving it to. I hope this video gave you some ideas on how you can make gifts very inexpensively, but yet still look beautiful. If you enjoyed these projects and gift baskets, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. If you have a favorite gift basket, let me know in the comment section down below, because I always love to know which one is your favorite. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. Please take care, and I will see you guys next time.